So starting the test drive in this Colorado Z71, I like that for under $50,000 you get what you get here. Cooled seats. I'm so glad you don't have to get a Canyon Denali to get that. The newer screen is nice. Just everything feels good in here, if that makes sense. Not necessarily like a Canyon Denali, but a lot of the amenities and features that you would expect from that are included here. But you get a more off-road oriented truck with the Z71 package, having the 4-wheel drive, the off-road drive mode, and then just the overall looks you get as well. Love having these optional 20-inch aluminum wheels, having this convenience package here. Off-road capable, but also, again, relatively luxurious. Now I'm gonna slow it down and give it a good pull here getting on the interstate. Not gonna floor it, but gonna give it something. Here we go. So a pretty good pull there, again, for it not to be floored at all. I mean, I was just giving it a little bit of throttle. A nice sound coming from the engine, from the exhaust. Not overly dramatic, overly loud. And the sound acoustics in here are pretty good. Wind's not blowing me all over the road. But I want to give a huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that second link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But nice relaxing drive here. Now again, for this price point, I think you do get a really nice pickup truck. Again, the 4-wheel drive capability, the amenities that are included with the package on here, as well as just what you get with the Z71 in general. And you're under that half of $100,000 price point again, which is always a little easier to swallow. Now, other noticeable features of this truck, we have a turbo, so I like that we have the blow-off valve sound. It sounds nice. It's not overly aggressive, not doing too much, but it is a nice little whistle. The digital display is a nice touch. Again, having this 11.3-inch Google Assistant system, giving you that CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as access to the Google Maps. And then it's other things that are more practical, like having the full 4-wheel drive, having the sliding rear window if you have longer objects you want to put through there. A power front seat is great. And then having the heated steering wheel. That needs to start becoming standard if you drive anywhere that isn't Southern California, because when it's cold, for me especially, the first thing that goes are my hands. So I love being able to have a heated steering wheel here. But it's a nice truck, and I feel like it's worth the extra 10 grand over a comparable work truck that has nothing on it, because I love having everything that's included here. The convenience package 3, for it to be that price point, less than $1,000, highly recommend it. And just in a Colorado, having heated cooled seats is awesome. I think this might be the first one I've experienced that in, because you get the Canyon Denali, right, but you don't have a Colorado high country that would include those heated cooled seats. But overall, again, to be right under 50 grand sticker price, it has a lot to offer. It's fun to drive. It looks great, especially with these 20-inch wheels. And again, the amenities just are the icing on top of the 4-wheel drive capability. So with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2026 Chevy Colorado Z71.